Hello and welcome. I am Stephanie. Thank you so much for stopping in at my channel. I am a part-time reseller and I work full-time as a marketing manager at a software company. And I have been selling on eBay for many years, but in the last few years I've taken up to my YouTube channel and I mainly do unboxings right now. I love them and I sell whatever I unbox is available for sale. I will have a price on the screen, and whatever does not sell here, I put it in my eBay store, or I use it for gifts or things like that. So, or sometimes I keep things too. But if you are a person who gets these boxes or you're a reseller, you probably know stuff adds up fast in the old pile of stuff that you have. So, boy, you become an expert pretty quickly on what needs to be, I have little piles. One's to go to the RealReal, one's keep, one's for ThredUp, one's for eBay, one is for, I've got piles here that I have to, you have to stay organized. Otherwise all of this stuff overwhelms you. So anyway, I'm opening a fun box today and I love doing fun boxes. They are, to me, they're the most, they're kind of like the most versatile. They've got the craziest things in them. So anyway,
Ron's dishes.
We just got something in the mail too. The mail just got here, so wonder what that is. Anyway, oh yeah. All right, we are going to be opening a fun box. A fun box is items that were sent in to ThredUp and probably were items that ThredUp does not sell. I know it's odd, but when people send in a big thing of clothes, sometimes they throw in other things with it. I don't know if it's because people had their, I don't know how that happens. Personally, when I'm creating a pile for ThredUp, I know exactly what's going in it for ThredUp, but I think people go, here, take all my stuff, see if you can sell these socks, this brand new bra with tags. Well, they don't sell that stuff, so they've got to do something with all of it, and guess what they do? They put it in this box right here, and here is the box. It's pretty lightweight. There's an odd noise in there, but I don't know for sure what that is. But let's get opening this thing. All right, so these are $34 plus tax and shipping. Comes to $50 for 10 items. So it's $5 per item on average. However, it's a little strange because sometimes they'll put various items in one bag and call that an item. Like they do that with hair things. There's like a hair clip and a couple other hair things, and they call that one. So, that makes it extra fun. I never get tired of these things. I love them. All right, we got our little receipt here. Mixed rescue box, fun box, 10 items. To me, the first one of these I ever opened was terrible many years ago. But to me, they've become way better over the years. And to me, the fun part is not knowing. You just don't know. Look at that cute little happy face stickers they gave me. Really nice. Oh, there. You've got a great first look here. I see a cute little quilted makeup bag or something like that. The hair stuff looks cute. Looks like a hot pink bra and some pretty yarn crew socks. Okay. All right. Some of this today might not be for sale because I'm using them for a game that I'm doing for my family, and so I might want to keep some of these to put in there, but we're gonna see. All right, where should we start? I'm gonna start with this bra. I love getting bras. Oh my gosh, please God, let it be my size. Please, it's not. This is so stinking cute. Wait till you see this. This is a bra, and it's got like the little corset type thing underneath, and it's got these in the back. It's brand new. By the way, I don't think that they sell used bras. And so look at the sparkly tag. This is Victoria's Secret, by the way. Brand new tags, and it's size 32C. Size 32C. It is so stinking cute. I cannot. It's 32 is pretty small. And C is probably just, what average. But anyway, 32C. It's got these beautiful adjustable straps. I'm going to show you up close here. They're like they're rhinestones. This is beautiful. It's hot pink. It's in like new condition. It's got the clasps at the back. I don't think there's a price tag on it. It's just this one tag that says Victoria's Secret. So that's really great. I guess this will sell. It's got, by the way, it does have a push-up cup in it too. You can tell by all this structure on the inside. So Very, very happy with that. Victoria's Secret does sell. It's not cheap when you buy it in store, so. All right, next up is, here's what I got. It's just this bag with a black blob inside of it. But the bag says, USA Handmade Unisex Neck Warmer for Women. Unisex, but it's for women. Okay, I don't know. Let's open this thing up and let's see. Can we? It's a neck warmer. I don't want to take it out because it's sealed. It's a neck warmer. It maybe is. It's really hard to see inside that bag. Fleece kind of thing, but it's a black neck warmer for women. All right. You might be thinking, oh, you need that in Minnesota. I rarely get hot. Sorry. I rarely get cold. Today I'm doing this crazy thing called wearing long sleeve shirt. Don't usually wear long sleeves. I'm more of a short sleeve kind of gal. And then maybe something over it, but. All right, next up is this absolutely gorgeous bag of headbands and such. And this again would be considered one item. Oh, I can just tell this is a good box. All right, here we go. The first thing we have is this clip. It's curved. I don't know if that's because, I think you probably go like this and put your hair in a ponytail, or you put the clip over a ponytail. Let me just show you how that goes. So that's a little clip. No branding on that thing. This is great. Oh my gosh. J. Crew made with Liberty fabric. It's still got the tag on it. Is the price tag on it though? Made in China. Okay, J. Crew made with Liberty fabric. And look at how cute this is. It's like raffia kind of thing with a knot at the top and these cute flower pattern on the outside. That is just adorable. I don't know what the and then there's the inside you can kind of see. This is how it kind of goes. It's really cute. Oh my heavens. That is adorable. Okay, so that's a J. Crew one. What else do we have here? This one is, I can't tell. Here's another one that's got kind of a lame with some cotton gray. It's like gray color. And then it's got some like gold lame on the inside. Cute. With a knot on top. I like that. And thirdly, we've got one other one. I don't think there's any branding on this one, but it's kind of like a satin look. Super cute. Now that one I could, if I was a person who wore headbands, let's see. I could see this. I like it. Yeah. I don't wear headbands. I don't know. They just feel like they would move around. It feels like, but I don't know. I just don't wear them enough to know. This is cute too. This is like a thing that you put your hair, you put in the back and you hold some hair together and clip it and you hold it together. So then you can see these cute little acrylic beads. All right. So that is the little bag of headbands and such things. That was item 3. All right. There's so many items in here. All right, I got to go to this next. This is item 4 and this is a watch. What is it? What kind of watch? I should have brought a magnifier, but I did not. It seems like there's no. It's brand new, by the way. It's really pretty. It's brand new. I don't know. It looks brand new. There's not a single scratch or sign of wear on this thing. I'm just trying to figure out what the brand name is. Let's see if there's any markings on the band or anything. Let's see. No, I don't see any. So I think this is just a watch. I don't know if it's even working. I can't tell you. But anyway, that is a watch. Hold on. Whew. All right. A watch. I don't know. Generic. I'll look at it up close after this and see. Well, I have to open this because it's making an odd noise. What is it? Ooh. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this jewelry box. That's super cute. What's the noise inside? Oh, I see. It was this chain making a noise. When it's inside, it's jingles around a little bit. This is absolutely adorable. It reminds me of like Asian, some kind of an Asian, Middle Eastern or Indian or something. A little cute decorative box. It snaps shut like that. It's super cute. I like that. Okay, yeah, I like that. That was nice. All right. Plenty of things left. Oh gosh, we got to get rid of the... Wait, no, we're not going to get rid of, but... this is beautiful. Wow, look at this. Mestizo. It's the token mestizo. What would it be without a mestizo? Actually, this is the nicest one I've ever seen. Look at this. It's so pretty. The design is gorgeous. And here's the best part about this. This goes over when you are going traveling and you have the handle up on your suitcase. You can slide this over the handle so that you don't have to carry this on your back. This can carry the biggest of computers. I've never seen one this big. That's probably 20 inches long. And it's gorgeous. Let's see. Oh, I see. It's padded on the inside. And this is really nice. I must say, this is like a canvas type material. So yeah, I mean, mestizo, I don't understand really exactly. Oh my gosh, I just saw something. Oh my, we're not going to open that next. We're going to open this next. All right, mestizo. Nice. All right, this one is a Lazat Polartec USA headband. Light blue. Yeah, I mean, we can use, when I go walking outside in the winter, yeah, it's probably, for me, it's probably more for fall, because in the winter, we need a full hat on our head. I mean, I almost have a blanket in that it's called my hair, that keeps me warm most of the time. I don't really need a hat most of the time. But if I'm going walking, I will wear a full hat. But that's really pretty. Look at that, kind of a fleece. It's got the cute lines up here. So, all right. Oh my gosh. All right, I can't wait. I'm not going to wait till last. I'm going to show it to you right now. Ready? What is this? It's in a Coach box. Oh my gosh. I don't care what it is. It's Coach. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. What is... Oh! Oh my gosh. What? Okay, it's a pair of Coach leather gloves. Look at how beautiful those are. All right, I gotta try. I wear size large or extra large. I can barely, okay, there. I got them on. But it should go like down that far. It sounds great if I really pull them on. I mean, these are beyond gorgeous. I'm not certain that, I can't believe they fit. I mean, they don't really, they're a little small, but what size are they? Doesn't say what size, does it? Size 8. I think that's a size large in gloves. I have long fingers. I know it sounds crazy. But anyway, these are leather gloves. They have been worn, but not a ton, not much at all, actually. And then here is, there's the Coach tag. And then the little size tag. I don't sell a lot of gloves, so I'm not familiar with the sizing. But anyway, it looks like the little hardware, let's see here. Oh no, it looks like a turn lock, the little hardware. That doesn't come off or anything, but it looks like a turn lock. These are beyond adorable. They're so, so cute. But they're definitely real leather, and these are not cheap gloves at all. These are nice. I'm going to just show you the leather up close. They're really nice leather. I'm going to try and I'm going to put these things on, even though my hands are giant. I'm going to try so you can see. I like these a lot. Look at the inside's even clean. So, all right. That is awesome. Even if we stopped right now, I'd be happy with this box. These will probably pay for the whole box. Yay! So, I really like Coach leather. I mean, it depends. They have got different kinds of leather, different versions and whatnot, but the leather on these is gorgeous. All right. Now, how are we going to top it? We're not going to top it. A couple pairs of socks here. Oh, all right. Oh my gosh. There are a couple pair of sneaker socks and 8 pairs. 8 pairs? 8 pair of no-show? All right. I'm keeping these. I need socks. It's like no matter how many pairs of socks I have, it's never enough. I don't know how it's like socks grow their own legs and walk away in my house. So, and I don't care if I wear the pink with the black or whatever. I don't care. All right. I'm excited about these socks though because I need socks. I need socks. All right. Ooh. All right. What are these? Feather Auden. Auden super soft feather yarn crew socks. Nice. Too hot for me. But I might be keeping these for my giveaway for my family event. So, in fact, I am going to do that. So, keeping those. 2 items left. We're going to do this one next. It's a cute little quilted travel case. It's mauve in color. It's a little shimmery. It's super cute. Don't see any branding yet. Let's see what happens when we open it. Okay, there's the inside. Zipper works great. Oh, there's a built-in kind of bag where you can put your stuff and then pull the drawstring. So I don't see any branding on it, but it's really cute and it's very useful. Like you can definitely make use out of that. There's nothing worse than throwing all your stuff in a bag when you travel, all your jewelry, and it arrives, things are broken, tangled, and you can't find them, and they're all over the place. So this is keeps them more neatly in one place so they don't jostle around and tangle. All right, there's one more item. Don't think it's going to be as good as the Coach. Oh, golly. This is beautiful, though. What in the world? What is this? Oh, this feels so nice. Fleur T, size medium. Flower, F-L-E-U-R-T. And it's a nightgown. It's really pretty. It's super soft. Like, you can't believe. Here is the top of it. And then here is the back of it. It's cute little back. Look at that lace back. And then here is the Fleur T, the logo. That is insane. It is so cute. Oh, let's see. I might have to try that on. That is really, really pretty. Okay, so there's the pajamas. I'm happy with this box. I can't believe I've got some really good items. Some of them are kind of, but I mean, like these socks, they're great. It's exactly, I wanted them for my family party. This box, this might go in there too. You'll see whenever I put the video live whether I've got a price or not, we'll tell you. 8 pairs of socks. I don't know how it's 8 because look at, now does that look like 8 pairs to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bet you someone took out 2 of the pairs. I don't care. I got 6 left. Works for me. All right, this container, what do you call it? Container. Very pretty with a chain. Where's the chain? Right here. That folds in. Works great. Very cute. It would look nice on someone's nightstand or dresser. The little bag of hair stuff, including the brand new J. Crew one with raffia on it. This neck warmer. This beyond adorable. Oh, God, I wish it was my size. Bra. And this headband. Our good friend Maciso. And this watch, which I have to get more details on. And last, but absolutely not least, in fact, my favorite thing out of the box, is this beautiful Coach pair of gloves. It's crazy. I cannot believe that these came in this box. So, all right. If you are interested in purchasing anything, please send an email to mystephtyle@gmail.com. Shipping will be $6 for one item and $9 for as many items as you care out of this box. So for 2 or more items, it would be $9. By the way, if you enjoy my content, mainly unboxings these days, if you enjoy my content, please do like this video and please do subscribe to my channel. It super helps me, and leaving a comment below also helps. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.